How to change country in eFootball. So if you want to change your country in eFootball, then what you need to do is if you open up the application, then you will have the options of changing the username, user ID and everything, right? But you won't have an option of changing the country or region. So in order to change your country or region, what you need to do is you just need to reinstall or delete the application. So first you need to simply select and delete the application. You need to simply delete eFootball. Once you've deleted or once you've uninstalled eFootball, then you just need to go and again install the application. It's going to ask you to choose the country, and during that period you can choose a new country or a region. Until or unless you delete the game and reinstall it again, you will not be able to change the countries on eFootball. So it's that simple, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.